The world's biggest lithium miner snaps up more WA land. We reveal which stocks Macquarie Bank rates to buy, and protests over delays to new homes. Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grappa. The world's biggest lithium miner is snapping up more ground in WA, with Albemarle paying $30 million for a large tenement near its Greenbushes mine. Western Lithium is selling the tenement rather than continuing down the path of spinning off the asset in an IPO. So for all investors hoping to get on board a new lithium IPO, sorry, it was gobbled up by the big end of town once again. A new report has found WA could play a major role in the transition to green steel, but only if the government stumps up cash for infrastructure. What is green steel? It's steel that is made with iron that's been produced using renewable energy. But to do that, WA needs a lot more renewable infrastructure, about $30 billion worth of wind, solar and battery projects. Macquarie Bank has released its list of the top stocks to buy given the current economic conditions. Given Macquarie is Australia's largest investment bank, people tend to pay attention with interest. And drumroll, the top 7 stocks Macquarie says to buy are, in no particular order, energy giant AGL. They're also a fan of Coles Group. I can't blame them, I buy $100 of onions a week. CSL, despite the fact it's underperformed the index so far this year, pub and bottle shop giant Endeavour Group, healthcare group ResMed, Treasury Wines Estates, we love a good drop, and finally Telstra, but we wouldn't be surprised if that one dropped out. Still to come, another Aussie company caught up in a cyber breach, and a WA innovation gets FDA approval. Stay tuned. A spotlight is on consulting firm PwC. Their issues just went from bad to way worse, with the company swept up in a global cybersecurity breach after Russian hackers got into one of their systems and used it to transfer sensitive files. PwC Australia says the compromised software was only in use for a limited number of clients. Once it became aware of the attack, it shut it down and it didn't impact the mainframe. Another bunch of furious customers are those of WA's biggest builder, BGC. They've been protesting over new home delays that are stretching out several years. The protesters are complaining that the builder is prioritising building display homes over finishing their houses. BGC is blaming a lack of trades and materials for the delays. Spray-on skin technology, first created in WA, will now be used to help people repigment their skin. The ASX-listed Avita Medical was started by Perth celebrity Dr. Fiona Wood. The company has been granted FDA approval to use the spray-on skin technology for patients who want to repigment their skin. You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au, or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapha.com. Or download our app from the App Store. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Colin Ebsworth. We'll see you next time.